Imagine a world where cutting-edge military might meets unparalleled might. Welcome to the extraordinary world of the USS Gerald R. Ford, an incredible behemoth that reigns supreme as the largest and most advanced warship ever built. This steel monster, standing at 1,100 feet tall, is a testament to innovation and power. But its current journey toward Oslo, Norway, transcends conventional naval exercises. Prepare to embark on a story of power, precision, and the relentless pursuit of dominance as we step into the spotlight. Emerging from the shadows of secrecy with unparalleled beauty, the F-22 Raptor, hailed as the world's first fifth-generation fighter, takes center stage. A marvel of engineering, it boasts a host of features that make it the pinnacle of modern air superiority. With its meticulously engineered stealth capabilities, the F-22 Raptor is an enigma to radar system, gliding through the skies undetected. This stealth, coupled with breathtaking speed, gives it an aura of invincibility that leaves enemies in awe and fear. However, it is the F-22 Raptor's arsenal that truly sets it apart. Carefully selected, each weapon represents cutting-edge technology designed to deliver destruction on a scale never seen before. These weapons, designed for deadly precision, have been carefully selected to confront America's longtime enemy, China. The F-22 Raptor's weapons are designed for maximum lethality, leaving no doubt about its capability. Among its formidable arsenal, one stands out: the AIM-120D AMRAAM. This advanced air-to-air missile is a true game-changer. Equipped with unmatched range and accuracy, the AIM-120D AMRAAM can engage multiple targets at once. With a range exceeding 100 miles and an active seeker, escaping its deadly range is nearly impossible for the enemy. The AIM-120D AMRAAM's active seeker technology allows the missile to automatically detect and track enemy aircraft, ensuring a lock on the target throughout its flight. This means the F-22 Raptor can attack from a safe distance, minimizing its own risk while delivering a high-precision strike. What sets the AIM-120D AMRAAM apart is its ability to engage multiple targets at once. This gives the F-22 Raptors a decisive advantage, overwhelming enemy defenses, and significantly reducing their ability to respond effectively. In the world of close-in air combat, one missile steals the show: the AIM-9X Sidewinder. This short-range, heat-seeking missile is designed to engage agile enemy fighters with exceptional precision. With a range of up to 22 miles and impressive maneuverability, it poses a formidable threat in the skies. The AIM-9X Sidewinder is a deadly weapon that can track targets by targeting their heat signature. Once locked onto an enemy aircraft, it relentlessly pursues its prey, easily overcoming evasive maneuvers. Its ability to perform high G-turns and rapidly adjust its course ensures it stays on target until impact. With advanced heat-seeking technology and incredible agility, the AIM-9X Sidewinder is the ideal weapon for close-in air combat. It packs a powerful punch, striking fear into the hearts of enemies who dare challenge the F-22 Raptor and its deadly arsenal. In the fast-paced world of air combat, the AIM-9X Sidewinder represents simplicity and devastating effectiveness. Its range, maneuverability, and heat-seeking capabilities make it an essential asset. In the F-22 Raptor's quest for air dominance, prepare to witness its incredible ground attack capabilities. This fighter beast packs a devastating punch with its deadly weapon of choice, the GBU-32 JDAM, or Joint Direct Attack Munition. Prepare to see enemy ground forces reduced to ashes. The GBU-32 JDAM is no ordinary bomb. It is a precision-guided weapon that unleashes chaos and devastation with unparalleled accuracy. Guided by an advanced GPS and inertial navigation system, the bomb will find its target like a heat-seeking missile. There's nowhere to hide when the F-22 Raptor is locked and loaded with the GBU-32 JDAM. But what makes the GBU-32 JDAM different is its ability to cause destruction on a massive scale. Imagine multiple bombs released from the F-22 Raptor, raining down on enemy strongholds and armored vehicles. The result? Total annihilation. This bomb turns enemy ground forces into a cloud of dust. When it comes to ground attacks, the F-22 Raptor means business. With the GBU-32 JDAM and its arsenal of weapons, this fighter jet takes no prisoners. Enemy bases, fortified positions, and anything else in its way will be obliterated in an instant. Picture this: the F-22 Raptor, the ultimate aerial predator, facing off against fortified enemy position. But fear not, as it has a trick up its sleeve: the GBU-39 small diameter bomb. These bad guys may be light, but don't let that fool you. They pack a punch. GBU-39 bombs are like precision-guided ninjas. They can penetrate the toughest defenses like bunkers and buildings with insane accuracy. It's like they have GPS in their brains. Flying more than 60 miles, they deliver destruction right where it's needed most. Picture this: the F-22 Raptor swoops in, dropping these bombs from a safe distance. With surgical precision, they rain down on the enemy, obliterating their fortified positions. Walls collapse, defenses crumble, and the enemy is left scratching their heads, wondering what just happened to them. The F-22 Raptor can carry a salvo of GBU-39 bombs. It's like having a bag full of ninja stars, ready to unleash a storm of destruction on unsuspecting enemies. This means the F-22 Raptor can take out multiple targets at once, forcing the enemy to regroup and rethink their defenses. The F-22 Raptor can destroy these fortified positions without having to get too close. It's like a sniper in the sky, eliminating threats from afar. The GBU-39 is the Raptor's secret weapon, ensuring that no enemy stronghold is safe. So the next time you think of the F-22 Raptor, think of its trusty sidekick, the GBU-39 small diameter bomb. Together they form an unstoppable team, easily taking out fortified positions. This is air warfare at its finest, and the F-22 Raptor reigns supreme. Pinned down. That's what happens to enemy air defenses when the AGM-88 HARM missile shows up. This bad boy is a high-speed anti-radiation missile designed to destroy radar and electronic systems like a boss. With a range of over 80 miles, there's no escaping its reach. It has multiple guidance systems, including GPS, infrared, and radar. That means no target can escape its relentless pursuit. Imagine enemy radar stations suddenly switching from full power, complete shutdown. The AGM-88 HARM missile locks onto its emissions, and boom! Say goodbye to your ability to track or attack the mighty F-22 Raptor. It's like flipping a switch and turning off your defenses. Enemy is left wide open for the next attack. With the AGM-88 HARM missile on board, the F-22 Raptor becomes an unstoppable force. It's all about control of the skies, baby. No more worrying about enemy radars giving away our location or targeting our aircraft. This missile is like a sniper, targeting with deadly precision. So when it comes to suppressing enemy air defenses, the AGM-88 HARM missile is the ultimate game changer. It's a real game of cat and mouse, and guess what? The AGM-88 HARM missile always gets the drop. Its range, guidance system, and sheer firepower make it a staple in the F-22 Raptor's arsenal. When it comes to taking out those pesky enemy radars, there's no better friend than the AGM-88 HARM missile. This is a one-shot kill that leaves enemies scratching their heads and wondering what just happened to them. As tensions rise, the Raptor unleashes its ultimate weapon, the M61 Vulcan. This bad boy is a 20mm rotary Gatling gun that can fire a terrifying barrage of bullets at an insane rate of 6,000 rounds per minute. When the Vulcan is fired up, the skies are a symphony of destruction. Bullets rain down relentlessly, seeking their targets with deadly precision. Those poor enemy planes don't stand a chance. The Raptor's firepower tears them to shreds, turning them into honeycomb-like relics of their former glory. But wait. The USAF and the F-22 Raptor desire more than dominance in the skies. They desire a weapon that challenges all known boundaries, one that fires faster, farther, and with unparalleled accuracy. Enter a world of science fiction, where lasers reign supreme as the epitome of destructive power. Enter the Air Force Research Laboratory, birthplace of innovation and collaboration. In their labs, they have created something truly incredible, the Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator, or simply SHIELD. This compact airborne laser weapon, integrated into the F-22 Raptor, takes destructive power to a whole new level. Picture this. Scientists and technicians meticulously fine-tune the SHIELD laser system, ensuring it is a reliable, effective, and compatible killing machine. They have optimized the laser's power source, refined its cooling system, and honed its beam steering mechanism to deliver unparalleled precision and reliability. Now it's time for the shield laser to demonstrate its capabilities. Advanced sensors detect the threat, and the laser locks onto the target with deadly precision. With a burst of energy, the shield laser unleashes a blinding beam, tears through the air at incredible speed. Traditional defenses collapse as the laser strikes with unimaginable force, sending enemy aircraft spiraling toward the ground. Military leaders gather in awe, realizing the full potential of the shield laser system. The ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously while causing minimal collateral damage gives the F-22 Raptor an undeniable advantage on the battlefield. This unstoppable duo cements their status as the undisputed masters of the skies. As the laser-armed F-22 Raptors soar through the skies, their deadly beams strike fear into the hearts of their enemies. Their speed, agility, and unparalleled laser firepower herald a new era of aerial warfare. Brace yourselves, my friends, for this is just the beginning, a glimpse into a future where the convergence of technology and military power knows no bound. The development process behind the shield laser system was no easy feat, my friend. It involved the brilliant minds of Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin, all giants of the defense industry. Northrop Grumman has upped their game in beam control systems. This bad boy ensures that the laser hits its target with pinpoint accuracy. There's no room for error here, folks. Next up is Boeing, bringing their A-game with the all-important pod subsystem. This beauty seamlessly integrates the laser into the F-22 Raptor, ensuring it's ready to go whenever and wherever it's needed. But hold on, because here's Lockheed Martin with their ultimate weapon, the Lance. This laser system is a compact powerhouse unlike any other, emitting a focused and powerful beam of light. It has power beyond comprehension. When this brainchild strikes, the target will suffer a world of pain. The shield laser system is the result of this dream team's collaboration. It combines the best of the best, pushing the limits of what is possible in warfare. Imagine this, a beam of light so precise that it hits its target every time. And it does it so fast, my friends. Blink and you'll miss it. So when the shield laser is unleashed, the F-22 Raptor becomes an unstoppable force. It's like watching a sci-fi movie come to life. The laser's intense focus and lightning speed make enemies tremble. There is no escape from the wrath of this advanced technology. Deep inside a top-secret, high-security lab, a team of brilliant scientists are hard at work, fine-tuning the mind-blowing shield laser system. These guys are serious. They meticulously put this cutting-edge weapon through its paces, ensuring it's reliable, effective, and fully compatible with the fearsome F-22 Raptor. Every little detail is given their undivided attention. They test and retest the power supply, cooling system, and the beam control mechanism. These vital components are fine-tuned to deliver a devastating blow to any unlucky enemy foolish enough to cross paths with this laser. These scientists leave no room for doubt, ensuring a steady and reliable power supply that allows the laser to pack a powerful punch. Think of the heat generated when this thing starts up. That's where the cooling system kicks in, keeping things nice and cool. Scientists have come up with some ingenious ways to dissipate that insane heat, ensuring the laser stays cool under pressure. Now let's talk precision. The beam control mechanisms are the secret behind this laser's deadly accuracy. The mirrors, lenses, and targeting system are tuned with surgical precision. It's all about perfect alignment, ensuring the laser beam stays focused and unwavering. That means when it hits the target, it's hit hard, and there's no way out. But these scientists aren't just sitting around. Oh no. They're putting the shield laser system through a series of grueling tests, simulating all sorts of combat scenarios. They want to make sure this baby can handle anything thrown at it. The laser system needs to be as reliable as your favorite pair of sneakers, ready to unleash a devastating blow whenever the F-22 Raptor calls. In this high-security lab, it's all about one thing: taking warfare to the next level. These scientists know that every tweak, every adjustment, can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Their dedication and hard work ensure that the F-22 Raptor equipped with the shield laser system, is an unstoppable force in the skies. So when that laser fires, you better believe it's going to pack a punch, will leave your enemies shaking. It's time to test the shield laser in a simulated combat scenario. The F-22 Raptor, armed with this groundbreaking weapon, takes to the skies. Its sensors detect approaching threats, and the shield laser locks onto the target with deadly precision. And at that moment, an unstoppable beam of energy engulfs the enemy aircraft. As the shield laser is released, in the blink of an eye, the laser cuts through the air, defying all traditional defenses in its path. It strikes with unimaginable force, paralyzing the enemy aircraft and causing it to spin out of control. There is no escape as it plummets to the ground, defeated by the sheer force of the shield laser. This is a turning point, folks, a true testament to the raw power and precision of advanced laser warfare. Say goodbye to your enemies because the future is here, and it's all about lasers. Their faces were etched with anticipation and curiosity, the room buzzing with excitement as they gathered to discuss the incredible capabilities of the shield laser system. Each leader brought their own unique expertise and perspective, united by the common goal of harnessing this groundbreaking technology to protect the nation. General Adams, a seasoned and respected figure, the lead. His commanding presence drew the room together, and with a firm voice, he began to address the council, saying, "The shield laser has surpassed our wildest expectations. The ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously, with minimal collateral damage and lightning-fast response times, give us an unrivaled advantage on the battlefield." The F-22 Raptor, equipped with the shield laser, became an unstoppable force. The agility and precision of lasers turned the tide of battle with astonishing efficiency. Air superiority is consolidated and ground targets are quickly obliterated. The integration of the shield laser into the F-22 Raptor simplifies the equation. Unparalleled maneuverability combined with the power of a laser equals unstoppable air dominance. The surgical precision of lasers ensures swift and decisive victory, making the shield-equipped F-22 Raptor a simple yet unstoppable force on the battlefield. This powerful combination simplifies the path to victory, takes the enemy by surprise, and ensures a new era of air warfare. We are witnessing a true change in air combat. The integration of laser weapons puts the F-22 Raptor at the forefront of dominance. No opponent, no matter how advanced, stands a chance against the onslaught of lasers. It's an unfair advantage, plain and simple. In this new era, the F-22 Raptor outclasses its opponents, wielding the power and speed of lasers with unparalleled authority. Dominance of the skies is no longer a debate, it's a given. With laser precision, the F-22 delivers precision strikes that leave opponents defenseless and trembling. When the F-22 Raptor squadron takes to the skies, armed with shield lasers, a new era of warfare begins. The combination of stealth, speed, and laser firepower takes American air dominance to unprecedented heights. With each aircraft equipped with the advanced shield laser, the F-22 Raptors become a force to be reckoned with. Their unparalleled stealth allows them to fly undetected, while their lightning speed ensures they can outmaneuver any opponent. And now, with the shield laser, their power reaches new heights. As these mighty aircraft streak through the skies, their lasers strike with pinpoint precision, leaving no room for the enemy to escape. The convergence of cutting-edge technology and strategic power allows the Raptors to quickly neutralize threats, cementing their status as unrivaled aerial champions. This new era of warfare is marked by simplicity, yet unrivaled effectiveness. The F-22 Raptor squadron, equipped with the shield laser, demonstrates the combined power of stealth, speed, and laser firepower. It represents a future where the skies are clearly dominated by these formidable aircraft, forever changing the landscape of aerial combat. The F-22 Raptor and the shield laser, an extraordinary alliance born of technological innovation and military might. As the boundaries of warfare continue to expand, the journey of the F-22 Raptor and its laser weapon integration is just the beginning, signaling a future where the impossible becomes reality. Unmistakable roar of the A-10 Warthog's engines sends shivers down the spine of its enemies, while its rugged armor and formidable weapons can punch through enemy armor as if they were tin cans. Its heavy apex armor makes it a tough nut to crack, allowing it to withstand enemy fire and continue its mission, ensuring that it can return to base safely even after sustaining significant damage. With nearly half a century of dedicated service in the United States Air Force, the aircraft has become an enduring symbol of American air power. However, despite its age, the A-10 is far from retired. In fact, it is scheduled to be upgraded once again, proving that this battle-tested vehicle is still very much alive. Now, the upgrade is ready for testing, and some countries are shocked by the Warthog's incredible rebirth. Let's explore the reason behind Russia's panic when the U.S. Air Force tested the new Super A-10 Warthog. You might wonder why the U.S. Air Force continues to rely on the A-10 Warthog, a venerable aircraft that first flew in 1976. After all, sleek and advanced fighters like the F-35 Lightning are also in use. Well, simply because the A-10 excels in the important role of providing close air support to ground forces. It is a dedicated aircraft for flying over the battlefield and supporting troops on the ground, a mission the F-35 was not designed to perform. The A-10 Warthog stands out because it was specifically designed for close air support. Sure, it may not be as elegant or graceful as the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle or F-16 Fighting Falcon, but it has a unique set of advantages that make it indispensable. At the heart of this aircraft is its primary weapon, a 30mm automatic Gatling gun called the GAU-8A Avenger. GAU-8A Avenger is one of the most powerful aircraft guns in its class. First of all, this beauty weighs nearly 2 American tons. Second, it boasts an incredible rate of fire, firing 3,900 rounds per minute. This means the Avenger can penetrate armored vehicles at a distance of 1,200 meters, firing 65 rounds downrange every second. Not to mention its accuracy is around 80% before the barrel starts to overheat. The gun has earned itself the nickname, the Burr, its sheer power. Replacing the weapon would not only take away from the A-10's appeal, but would also be a technically challenging and expensive endeavor. The Avenger is not the A-10's only weapon, however. It can carry a variety of weapons on 11 different hardpoints, 3 under the fuselage and 8 under the wings. This allows the Warthog to carry up to 7.2 tons of weapons. Its arsenal includes precision anti-tank missiles such as the AGM-65A and AGM-65B Maverick, which have ranges of up to 28 kilometers, and fire-and-forget guidance. The A-10 can also carry missiles, precision bombs, and conventional bombs. Designers even created a precision-guided bomb of the SDB type, the GBU-39. This 250-pound bomb, with its guidance system and wings, allows 4 GBU-39s to be carried on each hardpoint using the BRU-61A rack. With such weapons, the A-10 can engage formidable targets such as Russian air defense missile systems like the Tor M2 and Pantsir S-1, while remaining safely out of their reach. But the A-10 Warthog is more than just hardware. The updated version of this legendary attack aircraft is set to integrate with unmanned aerial vehicles, which can transmit target coordinates, adding a whole new layer of versatility. Furthermore, the A-10 is known for its easy maintenance and does not require a special runway. These factors combine to make it an invaluable asset in modern warfare. In 1991, in the Persian Gulf, something unexpected happened that caught the attention of military experts and international observers. During Operation Desert Storm, the A-10 Warthog made a name for itself, standing shoulder to shoulder with the famous F-15 fighter and the stealthy F-117 Nighthawk. There were 144 of these combat vehicles deployed, and the Warthog had only one primary mission: hunting enemy tanks. And it delivered impressive results. One of the A-10's most notable features was its excellent low-altitude maneuverability, quality that allowed it to skillfully avoid enemy threats. Combined with excellent visibility from the cockpit and a relatively low cruising speed, the A-10 proved capable of targeting even smaller targets on its first pass. During Operation Desert Storm, this mighty aircraft disabled more than 1,000 Iraqi tanks, about 2,000 other armored vehicles, 1,200 artillery pieces, and 2 helicopters. All this was achieved with only 7 A-10s lost in combat, with around 15 others damaged. The Warthog's durability was demonstrated during this period. One of the Thunderbolts suffered severe wing damage, but was still able to return to base, feat considered impossible for most other aircraft. This shows the incredible resilience built into the A-10's design. The A-10 Warthog did not stop at just one shining moment in history. It returned during Operation Iraqi Freedom, which took place from March to April 2003. During a horrific dogfight over Baghdad, an A-10 suffered a devastating blow. Its hydraulic system failed, one engine was severely damaged, and the aircraft was riddled with hundreds of holes in its fuselage, wings, and plumage. Despite all these challenges, the pilot, Colonel Kim Casey Campbell, managed to fly the crippled aircraft safely back to base. This feat earned her a well-deserved Distinguished Flying Cross. The A-10's ability to return to base in such dire circumstances was not simply a matter of luck. It was also the result of careful aircraft design. Every control system inside this monster had 3 layers of redundancy. There were 2 115 or 200-volt 3-phase generators and an emergency power source, a 34-ampere-hour battery with a 24-volt output. Furthermore, an auxiliary power unit provided power when the engines were not running and ground power sources were inaccessible. Furthermore, some parts of the cockpit and systems were protected against bullets up to 23 millimeters, adding another layer of protection. Interestingly, the A-10 Warthog's engine layout in separate cells provided additional protection against ground fire. At some point, the decision was made to replace the high-temperature turbofan engines developed by General Electric, modern power plants that provided similar thrust but with lower fuel consumption and reduced weight. This improved the aircraft's performance and efficiency. And remember that the A-10's unique design allowed the aircraft to land on its belly. It was a practical approach to ensuring the aircraft's survivability. However, countries such as Russia and China are actively developing advanced weapons, not only to strengthen their military power, but also with a particular focus on posing a threat to the United States, which is undeniably considered their main rival. These countries have become proficient in exporting their formidable weapons to a variety of potential U.S. adversaries, in effect expanding their influence globally. In this era of increased geopolitical tensions and military innovation, ensuring the relevance and effectiveness of the A-10 Warthog becomes extremely important. To achieve this, a continuous process of integrating and upgrading countermeasures against these new threats is required. The A-10, known for its legendary tank-destroying capabilities, needs to adapt to this dangerous new environment. Now the A-10 Thunderbolt has undergone a number of significant upgrades. Its capabilities have been improved, and its lifespan has been extended. One of the key updates includes the introduction of new wings designed to withstand an impressive 10,000 flight hours. This is more than just an upgrade. It is a testament to the A-10's enduring presence in modern air warfare. But the improvements don't stop with its wings. The A-10 has transitioned from analog lines to a more modern digital battlefield. The first step in this evolution is the A-10C Precision Engagement Program, which introduces the hands-on throttle and stick system. This technology is familiar to pilots of modern fighter aircraft. With HOTAS, pilots can seamlessly control the aircraft without taking their hands off the controls. Another interesting addition to the A-10 Warthog is the multifunction display, helmet-mounted display, and new electro-optical and radar pods. The aircraft's multifunction display takes a page from the F-16's book, complete with 2 displays as part of the Precision Engagement package. This means pilots can access critical information at a glance, enhancing situational awareness. The A-10 is also set to receive Link 16 connectivity, a significant upgrade that will facilitate more extensive and efficient data sharing. This feature is crucial for real-time communication and coordination during missions. Furthermore, the aircraft is now equipped with a helmet-mounted BAE Systems Striker 2 HMD, which integrates night vision and target tracking. These advancements are part of an ongoing effort to keep the A-10 Warthog relevant in the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare. But one of the most interesting updates to the A-10 is the addition of synthetic aperture radar technology. This capability enhances the aircraft's ability to detail its surroundings. Radar technology could include the AN/AS-Q-36 Dragon's Eye active electronically scanned array radar. The ESA provides high-resolution imagery and can detect hidden objects underground, a powerful asset for ground support missions. It's important to note that the upgrades may seem like a substantial package. They are actually a streamlined version of what was originally proposed. Even in this condensed form, the USAF now boasts an A-10 that is more than just a plane with wings, but a complete flying bomber train. Aside from the Warthog, the only other aircraft built for close air support was the Sukhoi Su-25, Russian invention. This aircraft began production in 1978, following a similar development trajectory as the A-10. The Soviet Air Force recognized the need for a low-altitude, highly survivable aircraft to supplement its strike aircraft fleet. Prior to this 25, aircraft such as the Su-17, Su-22, MiG-23BN, and MiG-27 had only one engine and insufficient armor, leaving them vulnerable to ground fire. Combat experience in Afghanistan highlighted the need for an aircraft with armor protection and two engines to ensure survivability. While the Su-25 is also classified as a close air support strike aircraft, it is more of a multi-role strike aircraft. It relies on a combination of higher speed, maneuverability, and ground cover to avoid enemy fire and escape unscathed. Going into the design and payload aspects, the Su-25 is significantly smaller and lighter, weighing 17.5 tons at takeoff compared to the A-10's 20.6 tons. The Su-25's smaller size gives it an advantage in cockpit mission. Carries a large amount of titanium armor on board, up to 1.1 tons, with armor thickness ranging from 10 to 25 millimeters. In contrast, the A-10's cockpit is protected by nearly 4 centimeters of titanium armor, weighing 0.45 tons more. However, the Su-25 has a smaller payload, about 4 tons, compared to the A-10's 7.2 ton. The A-10's superior payload capacity can be attributed to its larger size and weight. However, the differences become less significant when you consider the number of hardpoints and equipment on board. When it comes to weapons and power, both aircraft are equipped with a range of weapons that would be feared by ground forces. The Su-25 is equipped with the GSH-32 gun, which is lighter than the A-10's weapon, but has an impressive rate of fire of 3,000 rounds per minute. This gun proves to be more than adequate for ground attack missions. The Su-25's arsenal includes missiles, bombs, and surface-to-air missiles, such as the KH-23, KH-25, KH-29. It should be noted that the Su-25 SM variant can also carry the R-73 air-to-air missile. Currently, the engines and performance are the significant differences between these aircraft. The A-10 is powered by two TF-34 engines, which provide powerful performance. These engines, while powerful, are exposed and vulnerable to ground fire. In contrast, the Su-25 has R-95 engines housed within the fuselage, boasting an additional layer of protection from titanium armor. This feature enhances the Su-25's survivability against ground fire. In addition, the Su-25's engines are multi-fuel, able to run on a variety of fuels, while the A-10's engines are limited to jet fuel. The Su-25 also outperforms the A-10 with a top speed of 950 km per hour compared to the A-10's 700 km per hour. However, it is important to consider range. The Su-25 has a shorter range of 495 km, about half the A-10's 966 km. To extend its range, the aircraft can carry external fuel, but this comes at the cost of reduced payload capacity. The Su-25 only needs 600 meters to take off, while the A-10 needs 1,200 meters. This makes the Su-25 more maneuverable and capable of taking off from unpaved runways and aircraft carriers. When it comes to survivability, the A-10 has a slight advantage. Its horizontal stabilizers protect its engines from ground fire, and it can fly at higher altitudes. Reports indicate that the deployment losses of both aircraft are comparable in conflicts such as Afghanistan and Syria. For example, in Afghanistan, it was reported that approximately 23 Russian Su-25s were shot down during an 8-year deployment, while no A-10s were shot down during an 18-year deployment in the region. In Syria, one Russian Su-25 was reportedly shot down during a deployment that lasted more than 3 years, while no A-10s were shot down during a deployment that lasted more than 4 years in the region. These facts indicate that while the A-10 may be better suited to certain conditions, such as Ukraine, where air combat is rare, and the Su-25's low-altitude missions pose a high risk of being targeted by manpads, each aircraft has its own strength. With the new upgrades the Warthog has undergone, the Su-25 may no longer have much of a chance to compete with it, a fact that worries Russia. Ironically, in addition to the Su-25, there is another fighter jet competing with the A-10 Warthog, F-35 Lightning II. In 2014, a major conflict of interest came to the forefront in Congress regarding the future of the A-10 Warthog. At the time, the U.S. Air Force took a seemingly harsh stance. They claimed that the A-10 had become obsolete on the modern battlefield and should be retired. The rationale was to allocate manpower elsewhere and free up a significant budget of $4.2 billion for the development and deployment of the F-35 Lightning II, the aircraft intended to replace the Warthog. The U.S. Congress then pitted the A-10 Warthog and the F-35 Lightning II against each other in a battle for supremacy in the close air support mission. This was no ordinary contest. It was a dogfight, an air showdown designed to determine which of the two aircraft was the Air Force's top choice for close air support operation. However, what was supposed to be a decisive debate quickly took a different turn. Rather than a fair and transparent assessment, there are rumors that the Air Force may have rigged the competition in a way that favors the F-35 over the A-10. Furthermore, the event was shrouded in secrecy, leaving many with unanswered questions. As it turns out, test flight did not carry the weight that one might expect. The selling point is the specs and capabilities that don't lie. Despite the controversy and secrecy, one of the F-35's most notable features is its sleek design, built to cut through the air with ease. Its high-tech gadgets and advanced capabilities make it a marvel of modern engineering. However, the downside of this sophisticated design is that the F-35 is unlikely to match the A-10 when flying low and slow on close air support missions. The A-10 is famous for its ability to hover for long periods at low altitudes, flying so close to the ground that it needs a titanium bathtub belly to absorb the ground fire it inevitably receives from troops on the battlefield. This level of closeness to action is almost unparalleled. However, the Air Force's priority is not to improve the A-10's capabilities. Instead, it seems to be more focused on getting the F-35 up to speed. Up to $400 billion has been invested in the F-35's development, making it the most expensive weapons program in the Pentagon's history. Understandably, the Air Force intends to maximize its use, aiming to become a top-of-the-line fighter and multi-role asset. The importance of continuing to serve the A-10 is also emphasized by voices in the military. Although General James Holmes, Deputy Chief of Staff for Strategic Plans and Requirements, emphasized the need for balance when considering aircraft options. It is not just about finding a replacement, but also about identifying strengths that combine available resources with the unique capabilities that the A-10 Warthog has always brought to the battlefield. This A-10 upgrade has addressed the Air Force's concerns about the Warthog's survivability, significantly strengthening its position as a viable force in close air support mission. With both the A-10 and the F-35 in the same fleet, the Air Force's focus has finally shifted to equipping the Warthog with fifth-generation technology. Ultimately, the A-10 Warthog is a powerful reminder of the fighter's enduring capabilities when prioritized and continually updated. The ability to keep up with the times and remain a formidable force on the battlefield demonstrates the incredible flexibility and resilience of military aircraft, designed for a specific purpose, capable of evolving to meet new challenges. The UK has faced many challenges in its quest to maintain its status as a Tier 1 military power. The Royal Air Force, faced with a range of strategic threats while facing resource constraints and other constraints, these challenges have at times prompted the UK to reassess its strategies and invest in improving aircraft technology. But now they have made a remarkable comeback, with an invention that promises to revolutionize aerial warfare. This extraordinary fighter jet, brimming with advanced weapons and modern systems, puts it at the forefront of sixth-generation fighters. With this innovation, even America's mysterious UFO fighter jet has to take a back seat. The UK's strategic collaboration with international partners has succeeded in bringing one of the most ingenious and incredible aircraft the world has ever seen to life. Join us as we discover how the world was shocked when the new British fighter jet surpassed the UFO aircraft. The emergence of the sixth-generation European fighter jet is nothing short of remarkable, as Europe has relied heavily on fourth-generation fighters, while the United States and China have ventured into fifth-generation aircraft. The Eurofighter Typhoon was once very reliable, was recognized as the best fighter jet in the European Union, with a top speed of Mach 1.5 or 1,150 miles per hour, cruising altitude of over 50,000 feet, a wide array of weapons, and reliable avionics. It has served well. However, even such a formidable fighter jet has fallen behind, as it was developed more than 25 years ago. So it is time for a technological leap forward. And the success of a fighter depends largely on the expertise of its developers. Fortunately, this new project, called Project Tempest, has brought together a team of military experts from several countries, including the UK, Italy, Sweden, and Japan, to collaborate on this groundbreaking effort. BAE Systems and Rolls-Royce are just a glimpse of what collaborative development could look like. This is a practical strategy, as only a handful of EU countries have the capacity to build a next-generation fighter on their own. Furthermore, many countries lack the necessary technical infrastructure. Project Tempest demonstrates that by combining effort, knowledge, and budget, it is possible to create an aircraft that can outperform its competitors. A notable feature of the Tempest is its variable wing shape, which can adapt to different conditions and missions, providing improved speed and maneuverability. Equally important is the engine, where Rolls-Royce excels. Despite the complex nature of supersonic engines, the Tempest engine overcomes challenges, including cooling components at extreme temperatures. This powerful engine propels the fighter jet to an impressive 1,860 miles per hour, with 2 flight modes and a hydrogen tank for short bursts at Mach 2.8. Rolls-Royce engineers are currently conducting aerodynamic tests on the engine, using innovative manufacturing processes to create a unique air duct. This design aims to slow the supersonic airflow to subsonic speeds, maximizing stealth and fuel efficiency. With such an engine, the Tempest could outpace the US NGID fighter, operating at a top speed of Mach 2.2, setting the stage for potential victories. In addition, the Directed Laser Energy Program, led by missile systems manufacturer MBDA, has begun testing a new laser weapon. This collaborative effort involves the UK's Ministry of Industry, the UK Ministry of Defence, MBDA, and Leonardo, all companies deeply involved in the Tempest project. The laser system, which is capable of both offensive and defensive operations, delivers a staggering 300 kilowatts of power. It harnesses infrared radiation directed at the enemy, heating their materials to thousands of degrees. This innovative weapon poses a serious threat to many vehicles, as it causes the shell to ignite and explode, tearing apart the target from the inside due to the high temperature. With this formidable laser cannon and incredible speed, Tempest can penetrate enemy bases and wipe out important locations with incredible precision. And if you're thinking of fighting the Tempest, think again. It operates at altitudes in excess of 65,500 feet, an altitude beyond the reach of most modern air defense systems. It also features a modern stealth skin, a significant step forward from older fighters. Unlike previous models, which used radar-reflective coatings, the Tempest uses advanced composite materials. This material is not only durable and lightweight, but also extremely effective at avoiding radar detection. The Tempest does offer some interesting features. To further enhance its radar-evading capabilities, the Tempest incorporates a radar jamming system. This system emits precisely tuned waves to disrupt enemy radar, making it difficult for the enemy to determine the aircraft's location. Furthermore, BAE Systems, one of the leading companies involved in the Tempest project, has announced the deployment of new software for safety-critical systems that uses automatic encryption. This software approach not only protects the fighter from remote attack attempts, but also protects it from jammers. This comprehensive software approach also allows for rapid evaluation of the performance of the flight control system during complex maneuvers. The use of simulators provides important insights into how the aircraft will perform before its first flight. Air Force pilots have accumulated more than 150 hours of flight experience with the demonstrator aircraft and a specially designed simulator. This ensures that when the Tempest is ready for deployment, it will be operated by highly trained military personnel. However, an intriguing aspect of the Tempest design is the integration of unmanned systems, which represents a paradigm shift in military aviation. The Tempest incorporates 3 types of unmanned systems. First, it uses artificial intelligence in its onboard computer, allowing for remote control and autonomous operation. Imagine a drone fighter jet armed with lethal laser weapons patrolling the skies. The second unmanned system is a surveillance drone that operates under the Tempest, facilitating intelligence gathering over a vast area equivalent to more than 250 football fields. This capability enhances the fighter's situational awareness and decision-making. The third system, an augmented reality helmet, plays a vital role in intense air combat. Given the Tempest's incredible speed, pilots can have difficulty reacting effectively to rapidly changing situations. Augmented reality helmet bridges this gap by transmitting information from the fighter's sensors directly to the pilot's head. This real-time connection merges the pilot's cognitive abilities with the aircraft's systems, creating seamless integration. Furthermore, the helmet sensors can monitor the pilot's brain signals and other physiological data. Over time, this smart helmet accumulates a unique psychological database for each pilot, allowing the onboard computer to intervene when necessary. Given the fascinating features and capabilities of this jet, people have concluded that it is far superior to the UFO aircraft rumored to be built by the U.S. Air Force. This aircraft, called the Aurora, is said to have only been seen in the United States and the United Kingdom. On November 29, 2014, residents in the southern parts of the United Kingdom and the east coast of the United States were startled by a series of loud, mysterious noises. A recording of these mysterious noises, captured on a mobile phone by a London resident, quickly made its way onto the internet. To this day, the exact source of these sounds remains a mystery, leading to various speculations. However, one of the most intriguing theories is the Aurora flight, a mysterious project involving the United States Air Force. Media reports claim that witnesses regularly see strange flying machines shaped like giant black wings in the sky. While some people think they are UFOs, others dismiss the notion of alien involvement, claiming that these sightings are the work of a top-secret U.S. aircraft. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click on the link that appears on your screen now. It will take you to one of our other interesting videos. See you there.